Hi guys, we received this brand new respirator mask for reviewing purposes. It has this multi-gas vapor cartridge, so let's open it. They are very nice packed and sealed in this hermetic bag. So let's see, and there it is. Okay, it's ready. These are the proper filters. They are the P100. Okay. They have their weight to it. Okay. And this is the headpiece. Okay. This clip goes in the back. So I'll touch these ones. This facing. Okay, this will take my glasses off. Take the clip. Put it in my back. These are adjustable and they're stretched, so I don't have to worry. It goes like this. This piece goes over your head, okay? Like this. You adjust it. First, I will strengthen these ones, okay? You put it over your head and adjust it like that. Okay, and there it is. This is how it looks. I think I can put it. Okay. So this is how it fits correctly. It doesn't bother to your neck, your movement, which is something really nice. You can adjust it to size the fit, right? It has very nice support. It doesn't feel like it's gonna fall or anything. So it's nice, it feels good. I kind of feel like I'm building with this kind of mask put. But I mean, it's ideal to do some paint work if you're gonna be inside and spray painting, doing some woodworking. You can use it in many kinds of situations, right? So it's not bothering at all, it's nice. And that's how it fits. See ya.